Environmental degradation is the major concern today. Many of the agents cause industrial pollution are harming the environment. So, it is the urgent need of the hour to control environment from degradation. There are various factors that can control the environment. The first one is minimizing use of processing by reusing and recycling in water of two or more successive stages. Harvesting of rainwater to meet the requirements present as well as for the future. Before the industrial effluent discharges, it must be treated properly, especially the hot water which released to the ponds or the river bodies. The industrial effluent can be treated into three phases. The first one is the primary phase. In primary treatment, it could be done by the mechanical means. This involves screening, grinding, flocculation, and sedimentation. These are very important. Second is the secondary treatment that could be done by the biological process. Then third, tertiary treatment. By biological, chemical and physical processes, these involves recycling of wastewater. Groundwater is also a scarce resource, as by overutilization of groundwater, this groundwater is also facing a serious threat. We should use it with sustainfully. Particulate matters that pollute the air should be reduced by fitting the smokestacks on the factories with the help of electrostatic precipitators. We should also install fabric filters, scrubbers and inertial separator to stop the air pollution. To minimize the air pollution, instead of coal, oil and gas should be used. To stop the noise pollution, the generator should be fitted with the silencers. As well, the new machinery should be redesigned so that not only they can increase the efficiency of the production but also they can do minimum noise pollution. Noise absorbing material like earplugs and earphones must be used by the workers working on the industrial sites.